friends! My name is Pixie, and I'm super excited to take you on a fun coding journey. How are you all doing today? I hope everyone's doing great. And if you're a little tired, don't worry. It's time for some fun in coding. Did you know? A developer's life is full of drama. You write code, get an error, Google it, and boom, the same error again. But when the code finally works, that happiness feels just like getting a multiple choice answer right by guessing. But hey, coding isn't just about errors. It's a fun and exciting journey. So let's dive in and enjoy some cool coding. Today we're gonna learn Introduction to Python. Now watch the full video carefully and understand what Python really is. Let's get started! Introduction to Python. 1. What is Python? Python is a programming language that allows us to give instructions to a computer in a simple and easy way. It is known for its readability and versatility, making it an excellent choice for beginners and professionals alike. 2. Why is Python important? Python is popular because it is easy to learn. Its simple syntax is beginner-friendly. Powerful. It is used in AI, web development, automation, and more. Widely used, big companies like Google, Netflix, and Tesla use Python. Example: think of Python like a universal remote control that can operate different devices, TV, AC, and music system, all with the same buttons. Similarly, Python can be used for multiple tasks with the same simple commands. 3. How does Python work? Python works as a translator between humans and computers. It converts human-friendly instructions into a language that the computer understands. Process of running Python code. 1. Python reads the source code written by a user. 2. It converts the source code into bytecode, a format computers understand. 3. This bytecode is sent to the Python virtual machine, PVM. 4. PVM executes the code by translating bytecode into machine code. Example: imagine you write a letter in English, but the receiver only understands French. Instead of translating each word separately, Python first converts the whole letter into a common format, bytecode, and then delivers it in the receiver's language, machine code. This makes Python efficient and portable. 4. Where is Python used? Python is used in many real-world applications such as checkmark websites and apps. Instagram, YouTube, and Netflix use Python. Artificial intelligence. AI tools like ChatGPT and Google Assistant use Python. Self-driving cars. Tesla uses Python to analyze road conditions. Automation. Python helps in automating tasks like sending emails or organizing files. Example: think of Python like an automatic washing machine. Instead of washing clothes manually, you press a button and the machine does the work. Python automates repetitive tasks in a similar way. 5. What makes Python different from other languages? Python stands out because it is easy to learn, no complicated syntax, it is dynamically typed, no need to declare variable types, it is flexible, can be used in many areas, AI, web, automation. It has huge libraries, ready-made tools for AI, data science, and more. It supports multiple paradigms: object-oriented, functional, and procedural programming. Example: learning Python is like learning how to use a smartphone. You don't need to know complex programming, just a few simple instructions, and you can do powerful things. 6. Who uses Python? Python is used by big companies: Google, Amazon, Facebook, Microsoft, and NASA. Scientists and researchers for data analysis and machine learning. Developers and engineers for web development, game development, and more. Students and beginners because Python is simple and easy to learn. Example: imagine a doctor, an artist, and a teacher, all using the same pen for different tasks, writing prescriptions, drawing, and teaching. Similarly, Python is used in different professions for different purposes. 7. How can you start learning Python? To start learning Python, all you need is 1. A computer. 2. Python installed 3A simple text editor like Notepad or VS Code. With just these tools, you can begin writing and running Python programs. Conclusion: Python is a powerful yet easy-to-learn language that anyone can start using. Whether you want to create apps, automate tasks, or build AI, Python is the perfect choice. Are you ready to start your Python journey? Today we explored the basics of Python, and this is just the beginning. If you had fun, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon so you don't miss our next coding adventure. In the next video, we'll dive even deeper into the magic of Python. So stay tuned, keep smiling, and remember, coding is fun when Pixie is around. Bye!